Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to log in EA Sports FC Companion app so you can manage your Ultimate Team anytime, anywhere. Let's get right into it. First, open the App Store on your device, whether you're using an Android, phone, or an iPhone. In the search bar, type EA Sports FC 25 Companion. Once you find the official app, tap Download and wait for the installation to complete. After the app is installed, open it up. Now you'll need to log in using the same email and password that you use for your EA account. This is important because your Ultimate Team data is linked to that account. Once you're logged in, you'll have full access to your Ultimate Team. You can manage your squad, open packs, complete SBCs, trade players on the transfer market, and check objectives all from your phone without needing to be on your console or PC. That's it. You're now ready to manage your FC25 Ultimate Team on the go. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video. Drop a comment if you have questions, and subscribe for more gaming tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.